Good day everyone. I'm Don Julius Rosenblum Lial from Besed English, Block B. And today I will discuss my topic, which is all about writing the operational definition. The first slide is all about process of writing an operational definition. The first one is choose a concept. If you say choose a concept, you can pick something you want to define. It could be feeling, skill, or an object. For example, is sa feeling is happy, sad, angry. Sa object, pwedeng ball, table, glass, and another. The second one is describe how to measure it. Think about how someone can see or test it. Halimbawa is yung pagngiti, ma-measure nyo siya kung gaano siya karami tumatawa sa loob na isang araw. Number three, be clear and specific. Make sure that anyone reading your definition understand it the same way. Avoid unnecessary word and blind words. Dapat maging specific kayo, linawin nyo ng maayos at saka huwag na kayo magpasikot-sikot. I-direct to the point yun na para mas magkaintindihan kayo. Kasi pag hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, pwedeng maging magulo lalo. The last one is test your definition. Try using it in real life. Can people measure or observe it the way you describe it? If not, improve it. That, ganun lang siya guys. Tandaan nyo lang yung apat na yan. My second slide is all about what is an operational definition. An operational definition specifies how a concept will be measured or identified in a study. We might say it is measured by GPA. Do you familiar with GPA, which is grade point and average, or the test score? This helps the researchers and the readers to understand exactly what is being studied. Bali, kapag kasi may measurement, kagaya sa thesis is, di ba mas naiintindihan natin, tsaka mas nagiging malinaw yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi gumagamit na tayo ng measurement. Ganon lang din siya. Second is importance of operational definition. First is clarity. They remove confusion by giving specific details. Binibigay dyan yung mga details parang direct to the point siya. Second is consistency. They make sure everyone understand the term in the same way. Dapat ini-ensure daw natin na nagkakaintindihan at saka naiintindihan ng parehas. Dapat hindi lumalayo. Kaya mas maganda nang sabihin siya ng direct. The third one is measurability. They help researcher to collect and analyze data properly. Since kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina sa measurable, mas naging malinaw at saka maayos yung research o kaya yung mga kailangan gawin kapag gumagamit ng measurement kasi nakukumpleto siya. Mas nabibigyan linaw yung mga katanungan natin. That's all sa slide number 2. Let's move on to the third slide, which is step to write an operational definition. First is identify the concept. Choose what you want to define. It could be an idea, feeling, or characteristic. For example is happiness, sad, and others, kailangan mo lang pumili ng concept you want to define para mas maging maayos yung flow ng gagawin mo. Second is determine the measurement. Decide how you will measure or observe it. Think about action, number, or test. Bali dyan, kailangan talaga yung test, measurement para mas makuha mo ng maayos yung dapat mong gawin. The third one is be specific. Use clear words so that anyone reading your definition understand it the same way. Since sinabi ko nga din yan kanina, kailangan malinaw, huwag kayong magpasikot-sikot para mas magkaintindihan ang bawat isa. The last is test the definition. Try using it in real situation to see if it works and you can apply it to different people or condition. For example is observe different people in different setting to check if the definition still makes sense. Ganun lang siya. Let's move on to example of operational definition. The concept is stress. Operational definition. Stress is measured by the number of times a person reports feeling overwhelmed in a week using self-reported questionnaire. O bali dyan, measurement din siya. Ginagamit naman dyan is the number, yung number kung ilang beses daw yung mga tao na hindi okay sa loob ng isang linggo gamit yung self-report na questionnaire. Ganun lang siya. My second example is intelligence. Operational definition measured by a person's score on an IQ test. This means intelligence is defined by how well someone does on the test, making it clear and measurable. Bali dyan, para mas maging malinaw at maging measurable daw, yung mga tao is ginamitan sila ng IQ test para malaman kung sino talaga yung matatalino sa kanila. The third one is the concept is physical fitness. The operational definition measured by the number of push-ups a person can do in 1 minute. This make physical fitness easy to observe and compare. Bali dyan, ang ginamit nila na measurement is yung number kung ilan ang makukuhang push-up ng tao sa loob ng 1 minuto para makita nila kung sino yung physically fit doon sa mga nag-try. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So yun, bali yun lang po yung topic ko and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much, everyone.